Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video are some amazing beauty holiday gift sets, as well as some amazing little stocking stuffers. I am so excited to film this. I love watching these. I hope you do too. If this sounds like your sort of video of luxury gift sets, then just keep watching. All right, guys, I will put all of the details of these items, cost, and where you can pick them up in the description bar for your convenience. So I just want to go ahead and get started. I've been dying to open these and I have waited for you. So let's begin with Christian Dior. Their packaging, you guys, are so amazing and stellar. And I just feel like if you were to gift wrap this and give it to someone, you would just make their year. So here is what is inside this gorgeous gift set. It has 3 minis in here. The colors, oh my goodness. I saw this online and was like, yes, please give me all the gorgeous Dior lippies. So here again is the stellar, stunning, gorgeous packaging. And then here we have it. Heart music playing right about now, just saying. It's stunning. So I'm going to pull these out real quick and we will do some swatching. Okay, so let's start with this adorable mini. So it is the most gorgeous packaging and I'm here for it. So this is in the color 999 Velvet. Let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, can you see how beautiful the bullet is? I hope you can see that. It is so pretty and textured. Oh my goodness. It's stunning. I don't know how this would not be a luxury gift. So it does have Dior on the actual bullet and it is so beautiful. So let's go ahead and check out this color. Put it right here. Oh, yes, please. I'll take that one. It's beautiful. All right, so that is 999 Velvet. All right, next we have the shade 200. This is in the Nude Touch Velvet. Again, with the bullet already. It is so beautiful, super pretty and textured on the bullet. And, oh, let's see what that one looks like. Oh, a gorgeous, gorgeous nude. Oh, beautiful. All right, I'm excited about this set. Love it so much. And I may have to go ahead and pick one up for my mom because she is going to want this. And then the last shade here is 270 Icon Satin. And this is so pretty, much deeper, but absolutely stunning. So what I love about these, not only are they the minis, because who actually goes through a full-size lipstick, but they also have the matte and the satin. So you have some options here, and these are absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to try each one of them. As you can see, all 3 shades are very wearable. Next, we're gonna go ahead and check out the iconic London. This is the Glow Goals. This to me is such a gorgeous set. I love to glow personally. This is an amazing way for you to try these things out. Roller highlighter. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Ooh, pretty. That is lovely. All right, let's see what that looks like. I'm all about glowing, especially during the holiday season. Let's see. It might take a second to come out. There we are. Ooh, that is pretty. So this can go just right on top of your foundation. Oh, that would just give the most gorgeous kind of glow to the skin. I love a good liquid highlighter. This looks amazing. Can't wait to try this one. And then the other item in here, oh, this is your Prep and Set glow. So this is going to add the most amazing kind of glow to your skin. It has like this amazing, look at that. That is eye candy. That is beautiful. So this is a prep and set spray for your face. Finish up your makeup and then you finish it up with this gorgeous spray. Oh, can you imagine the glow? Well, let's not imagine. Let's just check it out. We'll just put it on top. Oh. Okay, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the glow on that. Okay, yes, please. I'm in it. Let's do this. I'm thrilled to have picked this up. Let's check out the MAC. This is a stocking stuffer, in my opinion, or a little happy if you wanted to put it in something, another gift, but this is so cute. I'm a huge MAC lipstick fan, so this was a no-brainer for me. I had to pick this up. Keeping these, I may pick one up for my sister-in-law to add to her gift. But let's go ahead and see the shades here of Fudge the Numbers. This is such a deep, gorgeous shade. Let's check that out. I love the name, Fudge the Numbers. Ooh, that's nice. I really, really like that. This is in the Luster Glass. So any of the Luster Glass formulas are just amazing. I can have dry lips. Mattes don't always work for me, depends what it is, but a Luster Glass is always my go-to. I love MAC Luster Glass. Now here is a taupe tier. This is also in the Luster Glass. Again, a gorgeous nude. This is beautiful. Now I will say it was hard for me to pick one. There are two sets and one is more like a pinky color set. I wanted the nude set. This one just screamed yes please to me, so I picked it up, but I was tempted to get the other one. So the other one may be more your color story, but this is so pretty. This is called Rich in Roses. Ooh, pretty. Let's see what that looks like. Again, the Luster Glass formula, super glossy, super creamy, not too pigmented, but it's, I mean, look at the pigment, it's there. So beautiful. I'm really happy about this set. This $29, the value on this is $45, so really nice deal here. Amazing stocking stuffer, if you ask me. Next, I picked up this Dior. This is the Rouge Blush Color and Glow. This has a blush and a highlighter. And now this isn't necessarily a gift set, but I could easily see myself giving it to my mom or my sister-in-law. The packaging is pretty, just next level, right? So this is 257 shade Dior Riviera in the Blush and Glow. And let's go ahead and check this out. I'm definitely keeping this for myself, but I could easily see wrapping this and gifting it to my mom or my sister-in-law. Let's go ahead and see. I know blushes are kind of difficult. Swatching isn't always gonna do them justice, but ooh, that's a gorgeous pinky peach. And then the glow, I hope you can see it. It is so subtle, so soft. You would not have to worry about going in too heavy on that peachy pink. It's gonna look so natural, but beautiful and give you the prettiest glow. The new eyeshadow palette, the Backstage, the Celestial Purple and purple eyeshadows are so in right now, you guys. Ugh. This is beautiful. So I really would like to give this to my sister-in-law, so I'm probably not going to swatch it for you guys. If I decide to pick up my own, I will definitely swatch this in a short for you guys. It is beautiful. Again, with these gorgeous Prada balms. Now these are not going to be super opaque. They are a mini lipstick collection. They're the set of lip colors and balms. So let's check these out. I thought they were so pretty and I thought, why not? So the shades are Astral Pink. This is the balm color. And then the Quartz and the Mahogany. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Again, packaging, especially with holiday gift sets, is so important to me. I love these so much. They're beautiful. The packaging is just beautiful. So first, here is the Astral Pink. And look at that. It does not look pink. So let's see what that looks like swatched. Ooh, do you see it on? I hope you can see that. That is the most beautiful, soft, subtle pink. Quartz, and this looks like a lovely sort of nudie mauve color. Ooh, gorgeous. Swan in this set is the mahogany, and ooh, that's very opaque, very beautiful. So those are the three beautiful Prada shades in this lovely holiday gift set. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this Chanel Beauty holiday set. This to me is so beautiful with the snowflakes and the gold. Chanel, I mean, it's beautiful. It does say on the back, made in France, and this to me just screams luxury and snow at the same time. Luxurious snow. Isn't this gorgeous? Love this makeup pouch. It does have the most gorgeous gold snowflake right here. Let's go ahead. Ooh, smooth buttery zipper there. And let's see what's inside. So let's start with this one. This is the Noir Mascara by Chanel. If you have ever tried a Chanel mascara, then you know. This is amazing. So lovely. And of course, it is so extra. I love you just push it down and out it pops. And there is the most beautiful mascara wand. Gets into those little eyelash crevices. So, so good. And then the next item that comes with this set, Rouge Allure High Intensity Lip Color. Ooh, that is such a gorgeous holiday color. Let's go ahead and swatch it, shall we? Oh, look how opaque and beautiful. That is so creamy. I mean, it just glided on, no problems. So pretty. I'm very excited about this set. And look how absolutely stunning this is. Clearly, I'm a huge fan of lipsticks, but this MAC Beauty holiday gift set just screamed get me for myself and everyone I know. So this is a $69 product and the value is $125. MAC lipsticks are so good. They have seriously stood the test of time. They're still selling like hotcakes and they just have the best formulas. Now, once I saw this particular holiday gift set, I thought, there's no way I'm not getting that one. So let's check it out together. Oh, guys, this is stunning. Oh my word. Can you imagine unboxing this on Christmas Day? I mean, it's a whole vibe, you guys. This is beautiful. I would absolutely carry this with an evening gown to an event, a holiday party, a work party. This is so pretty. And then, oh, you guys, that is gorgeous. I am so excited. It is definitely an amazing gift. So let's check these out. And since I am keeping this one for myself, I'll go ahead and swatch these for you. And the packaging on these is just beautiful. Love it so much. I love the gold packaging and it kind of, I also love just the color shows through on the packaging because let's be honest, so often you'll go to reach for a MAC lipstick and of course a lot of times they're black and so you don't know what color you're reaching for. This helps tremendously, if you ask me. So this set is so amazing. Let's go ahead and start with this shade. This is in the color Sin. Beautiful. Let's check that. Oh, wow. That has the most beautiful nudie kind of purpley hue to it. It's gorgeous. Super opaque, very creamy. That glided right on, no problem. This is called Warm Teddy. Oh, that is beautiful. Let's see what, oh, so beautiful. Super wearable, everyday nude, obviously creamy. And then this one is Forever Curious. Love that. Oh, that is beautiful. See what that looks like. That's amazing. So pretty. All right, next we have what looks like a pretty nice sort of, ooh, that's pretty. Let's check it out. Okay, that is stunning, you guys. So this is called Mullet to the Max. So pretty. So this is Mullet to the Max. And then our last lipstick in this set is called Velvet Teddy. And, creamy, buttery goodness. I was most excited about for last. This is the Giorgio Armani Gorgeous Holiday Gift Set. And this to me is just stunning. So let's go ahead. I'm so excited to share this with you. Oh, what? Isn't that stunning? Beautiful bag. I love just the texture on the bag and of course the logo there. It has Giorgio Armani Beauty on the zipper pull, and then it says Giorgio Armani here. What a beautiful pouch. So, so pretty. You would like to check out, I did recently do a giant Sephora haul, and there were a bunch of holiday gift sets in there in that video as well. So I'll definitely link it for you guys. So first we have an amazing length and volumizing mascara. Wand looks beautiful. Of course, the packaging is so chic and elegant. So I'm excited. I got a mascara in this set. I also ended up getting a eye tint shimmer, which this looks beautiful. I am all about an eye shimmer. So it does have this little, ooh, look how creamy that is. That is beautiful. The color Shell. Oh, so pretty. Ugh. Yes, please. These are amazing. What an amazing gift set. Jade Sultan. It is a mini, and looks beautiful. Sultan, beautiful. It's like a terracotta, so stunning. And that is that gorgeous set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure enjoyed filming it for you. Don't forget to like it, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.